news, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
I'm Thomas Abraham, Chairman of the Global Organization of People of Indian Origin, GOPIO. As many of you know, the GOPIO was started when there was human rights violation of people of Indian origin all over the world. There was civic and human rights violation in Caribbean countries like Guyana, Trinidad, apartheid in South Africa, and Indian-dominated government in Fiji was thrown out. So even in USA we had issues like Dotbuster issue where one of the Indians got killed in New Jersey. So we brought people from all over the world, and remember at that time there was no internet, there was no social media, no WhatsApp. We had to do it by regular mail as well as calling them by telephone, and we brought 3,000 people for a big conference in 1989 in New York City, and that was the beginning of GOPIO. And in 10 years we got our community in the mainstream of politics in many countries. Our own people have come as president and prime ministers in many countries, and even now we have in major countries our Indian origin person as Prime Minister in England, till 2 weeks back in Ireland. We have Vice President Kamala Harris, and then we have Prime Minister in Guyana. Trinidad President is an Indian origin, Suriname President is Indian origin, Seychelles, and even Singapore. Of course, Mauritius has been Indian-dominated country for a long time. So we have achieved a great deal in the political field. We have also achieved in the corporate field. Now we are looking how 35 million Indians can contribute to the development of India, and that was the theme of this conference. We are looking at the technologies, infrastructure, supply logistics, and artificial intelligence and all other new generation technologies. And we are also looking at some of the sessions of Indian social issues like diaspora Indians aging gracefully in the USA. And also we looked at another session on diaspora literature and diaspora writers. So it has been a very highly successful conference. A good number of people came from all over the world, and it has begun. In the evening we are going to honor those who have made outstanding community service. Overall, it has been a great support from the media, and especially New India Abroad and their publications and media houses. So we thank everyone for supporting us. Thank you.